उनकी जबरदस्त टीम है. It is the team which takes care of your reels, takes care of your social media and care of wonderful Instagram stories. It is for पतला दुबला बंदा है लेकिन काम काफी वजनदार करता है. It is Idris Batsar. Let's hear it for the big man and let's make his own reel. जरा जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Idris Batsar. और बहुत सारे लोगों को शाम को ये सर ने कुछ और साउंड कर रहा होगा. Idris Batsar, it is right? Rahul Batsar. Rahul मेरी तरह है, purely veg. Well played. And thank you so much. Ground coordinator and was taking care of the event. ये सारी चीजों का ख्याल रखना of all the logistics and the ambience. ये सारी चीजों का ध्यान रखना commentary से लेके broadcasting से लेके sound से लेके the pitch, the ground staff, the umpires. One man who has done it all. He has given his heart and soul. Mumbai Cricket and his team. Sushant More. Let's thank him. Let's hear it for the young man. Marathi माणूस पाऊल टाकतोय in organizing. टाळ्यांचा आवाज झाला पाहिजे मित्रांनो. टाळ्या तर वाजल्या पाहिजेत. He is putting his feet in an unknown territory and is doing a great job. Young man of Mumbai Cricket. He has his own YouTube channel, also a broadcasting system. Thank you so much, Sushant More. And thank you to all these guys, those who have done and given some fantastic events. Wicket keeper से गलतियों की अपेक्षा नहीं होती है, and they have been flawless most of the times, and they have done a great job. We'll start with the three umpires. Santosh Raut, sir. Please come in, Santosh Raut, sir. It is a small gift from the CRE family that we are giving to everyone, and every year Suresh Singh gets something special for everybody. I still go to my school with the coffee container which he has. So this is something special for you every year which you have. I do work in the school. That is the reason I go to the school. The next one, Meksham Odwalkar, या गावलेनु. Meksham, another legendary player. ये सब box के बहुत बड़े cricketers हैं और अपने time में और फिलहाल अभी भी खेल रहे हैं. So thank you so much, Meksham Odwalkar sir. And again, once again ये कल नहीं थे हमारे साथ. आज है because कल वो tournament खेलने गए थे. वहाँ पर हार गए बात अलग है. Akash More, please come in. The umpire, the third umpire. He is a little man with fantastic decision. Akash More. He is our third official. Thank you so much, Akash More. And one guy who took care of all the numbers, who gave us all the details, and he did a job tirelessly, taking care of the animals. So the scorer, Surakshit. Thank you so much, Surakshit. Let's hear it for the big man. Surakshit. Thank you so much, Surakshit. It is hard work. In the last 2 days, he has been taking care of the small numbers. Now, Surakshit and Dhadpad. Please be careful. I hope he's all right. Thank you so much. बघा चांगलं काहीतरी करायला गेला चप्पल काढायला गेला आणि पडला बिचारा. Thank you so much, Akshit, for that hard work. Well done, good job. And let's say I did not give him the mic a lot. बहुत बढ़िया बंदा है. Next year we will hear more from him. He has been the one who has been giving you fantastic shairis in between, adding a lot of flavor and fun to the tournament. The man who everybody loves to hear, Mitesh Solanki. Please come in. Mitesh's commentary is the Instagram page where you go. You will find this man giving some fantastic numbers to us. क्या बात है, Mitesh? He is a lovely guy. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. तो वो शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट होगा. फूल खिलते हैं, दिल मिलते हैं और आपके जैसे सारे व्यक्ति बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलते हैं. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You need to be passionate about the game. This man is super passionate.
So now it's time. He is my senior commentator. इनसे मैं सीखता हूँ, इनसे मैं पढ़ता हूँ, इनसे मैं सब कुछ हासिल करता हूँ. संतोष मेडपावकर, the commentator.
और ये होता ही है हमेशा. मैं हर इवेंट में जाता हूँ. Everybody, he is a part of your team. Sushant, he is a part of your team. Yeah, so fine. Vinay. Thank you so much, Yashwin. Thank you so much, विकास. And thank you so much. पूछ रहे हैं लोग विकास कहाँ पर है? विकास स्टेज पर थे थोड़ी देर पहले. Yes. Let me call upon Signify, one of our fantastic partners. Ayansh Ghosh is here. Let's hear it for the big man. Ayansh, please come in. Ayansh Ghosh from Signify, young man with a lot of credentials in the market. A big brand. Signify is here. They are one of our co-sponsors. We welcome you, sir. Start with this one. For the first time, there was no deliberation. There was no doubt. The numbers suggested it. The best bowler of the tournament, Ranvi Badshah Jadugar. 10 wickets, economy of less than 6 runs per over, and 3 wonderful catches. The best bowler is Krishna Panchal. The best bowler it is Krishna Panchal. So, Mr. Ayansh Ghosh, the smart man, will be giving it award to the smart bowler. It is Krishna Panchal, 10 wickets, economy of less than 6 runs per over, where every bowler has gone about 10 and 12 runs per over, was fantastic. Yes, sir, आप रुक जाइए, sir, आप रुक जाइए. Yes, another award to be given away. It is the best batter award. And best batter award. There were so many deliberations. It was Rakesh who made 160 runs, but the best strike rate along with a very good score and a impactful innings. The best batter, Anish Kolamkar. Anish Kolamkar is the best batter. With the fantastic strike rate and those impactful innings which got them to the next round, the best batter is Anish Kolamkar. Before that, he was sensational in the field. He took 2 wickets. Before that, the player of the match of the finals, this award is to be given away. He was the one who gave silent contribution. Because of him, they got those crucial runs in the final overs. He got 20 runs in 9 balls in the first time when they were for the first overs. And he got those extra 30 runs, because of which the target came possible. He did it not once but twice. Player Super Sharma. Rahul Sharma, fantastic contributor. And his 51 runs of just 15 balls was the game changer. He was sensational in field for his fielding and his batting. Player of the finals, it is Rahul Super Sharma. The best batter is Anish. Thank you so much, Ayansh. Thank you so much for being here. Let me call upon the 2 big ladies of this tournament who have been a part of this tournament from day one. Mrs. Lalita Singh and Mrs. Pramila Amin to be here on the stage. Ajay, madam. So they would be there to give away the most important 2 awards. The player of the series male and the player of the series female. Ajay यहाँ ऊपर. सुदर्शन सर किसी से नहीं डरते. ऐसे लग रहा था मुझे अब तक. That's not the case. The player of the series male, I request both of you to give it together because there are 2 awards. As your husbands are together, you also should be together. Player of the series female, we'll start with female. The numbers, the digits loaded, the performance loaded. Player of the series female, she is not seen from there. Kajal it is, the best player from the female section. No extras considered in the last 2 matches. And so good to see 2 wonderful ladies giving award to another wonderful lady. Well done. Well done, Kajal. She was fantastic. उनके चेहरे पे वो रिलीफ ज्यादा है कि अभी मैं घर जाऊंगी, मुझे घर जाना है, that kind of feeling. But well done Kajal, she was there for the company, she was there for the mates. Superb. The most important award. अगर कोई टूर्नामेंट हो तो सबसे important award होता है the player of the year. So many fantastic performances every year, or you can say so many people from Hafiz Advocate, in fact Architect Hafiz Contractors team. It was Naresh who bowled well, it was Vineet who batted well, so many players from this team who put up a fantastic. I think Love Kush was sensational with his bowling. Also the Anish was very good. Rahul Sharma was sensational. Rahul was brilliant. In fact, Krishna Patil was so close to getting it all the way. But one man who stood tall is the tallest man behind the wickets, in front of wicket, bowling, player of the match, 161 runs, 6 wickets. Patil power, Rakesh Patil. एक गाना तो बनता है, एक गाना तो बनता है. Music, DJ. Player of the match will be given away by Ms. Lalita Singh and Ms. Pramila Amin to Rakesh Powerful Patil. Thank you so much for being here, Ms. Lalita Singh and Ms. Pramila Amin. Your mates and grace the occasion. Yes, let's go on to the big three prizes. This is what we play for. पैसा बहुत है सबके account में. They play more or less for these trophies because this is what we want to play and take home back. The second runner-up probably मैंने आते ही उनसे कहा था कि ट्रॉफी आपके घर भेज दूं या पैक करके रख दूं because they are the top favorites every time. First of all, I would request the big man on बड़ों का आशीर्वाद. Let's hear it for Prakash bhai, the man with a big smile. And बड़ों का आशीर्वाद बहुत important है. Prakash Verma is almost like that big brother. He would be giving away award to the second runner-up, probably one of the best teams in the architecture industry. Second runner-up, a check of 25,000 rupees, also a trophy and a memento. We'll start with the memento for Santosh. Santosh Dhamankar, let's hear it for the big man. He is so humble. ये चैंपियन प्लेयर है, सारे ट्रॉफी जीते हैं, but he respects every player. Let's hear it for this team. Team AFC, they know how to play the game, they know how to respect the game, they know how to respect the opponents. Let's hear it for Architect Hafiz. तालियों का आवाज नहीं आ रहा है दोस्तों. और एक ऐसी टीम है जो genuinely कह रही थी कि हर साल हम क्यों जीते. Let other teams also win, and they had complete honesty in that. A check of rupees 25,000 and a second runner-up trophy for team Architect Hafiz Contractor. Let's go for the trophy. Thank you so much. Prakash sir, ये trophy. You want the team to come in? चलिए आ जाइए. Boys, Milind is here. Naresh is here. Naresh को अब क्या करना पड़ेगा so that trophy जीतेंगे. And he has not got a single man of the match. Maiden over डाल के भी. But that's fine. Bowlers की life होती है ऐसे. Well done. It is a dream. और ये जख्मी शेर है, अगली बार आएंगे तो प्लीज बी अवेयर ऑफ देम. लेट्स हियर इट फॉर दिस टीम. डीजे गाना तो बनता है इस टीम के लिए. Would request the team of Space Engineering to give away the medals, please. आप आ जाएंगे ऊपर कोई. Wait. संतोष अपना medals के लिए. You can come down from here. संतोष दुनिया फटाफट आप लेके medals दे रहे हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है. Please here. Let's यहाँ पर आ जाइए. So that you can step up from here, take your medals and move away. Sorry. अगले साल सब कुछ लेके जाओ. All the best for that. And they were so good, they were fantastic. They played the best band of cricket. Before that, I would like to call upon Shakti Infrasol LLP's owner, Mr. Sudarshan Amin, one of our co-sponsors, and co-organizers to come up on stage, please. Please come on stage, sir. Sudarshan Amin, sir. We'll give away the medals. This team is here, so सबसे पहली बात, ये जो सारे राजू भाई, महेंद्र भाई, ये सारे इनके लिए जरा जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. They are the heroes behind the scene. और ये लोग हैं, they bring a lot of spice to the tournament. So we'll call upon the playing 11 of the first runner-up team to come one by one. सुशील, अपने जो playing 11 है, 11 लोग हैं, एक एक करके आए. चलिए सुदर्शन जी आप खड़े हो जाइए, अश्विन जी आप खड़े हो जाइए. 11 का नंबर कंप्लीट कर देंगे. कम कर लिया तो हमारी इद्रिस को ले लो आप.